Guess what? We've made 1,000 SSQ II machines, and here's number 1,000. And we painted the overhead reel rack NewTek blue. So take a look at the logo for the 1,000th machine that we all voted on as a team. We as a team in Aurora and Hermosillo all signed the inside cover of the machine. We're here in Milton-Freewater, Oregon at Northwest Steel doing the 1,000th machine training. And James Miller was extremely excited to get the 1,000th machine.
I think it looks neat with the blue rack. Super appreciative of what NewTek has done with this and the extra attention and details that they've put into this. So we appreciate NewTek for that.
And we just want to say thank you to everyone that has helped us get to 1,000 SSQ II machines. We couldn't have done it without you.